Yes, okay, swoop, swoop, here you go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIE RASHON. So for today's video, I'm giving you guys a first impression on a unit that was sent to me by Wiggins Hair. But before we get into all the specs and what I think about it straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So for today's video, I'm giving you guys the lazy girl guide to laying down your frontal. You guys know I don't bleach anything, I barely curl anything. I'm an out the box kind of girl, okay? Let's just say that, okay? So I was sent this unit by Wiggins Hair. It is their 13x6 loose deep wave lace front unit. I got it in a natural black and the starting price for this unit is $115.26. Be mindful that price can go up depending on the specs you get for your unit. Now the unit does come pre-packaged in a box just like this. Open it, you get an elastic band that you can, that's already pre-cut. You can sew in if you want to. I didn't use that. You also get some lashes, get like a little satin scarf thing to do your little tie around or whatever. And then you also get a hair bag. Use your bags, okay? Don't be like me and just be throwing your wigs any which way. I still do it sometimes. So the specs for my unit is 20 inches and 180% density. I did go in and wash and condition the hair and I let it air dry because I did not want to put any type of heat on this unit. Now I will say I did get some shedding with this unit when I went to go brush it out after I conditioned it, but not too much, and I haven't had any since then, so that's good on that. Now I'm going to go ahead and insert some footage right now of me laying this unit down. It literally took me about 5 minutes to put this wig on because I was not going to do anything crazy. You guys know I'm a lazy wig wearer, okay? I want to do the least amount of work possible, okay? If I got to do too much work, I don't want to do it. But let me go ahead and insert the footage of me laying this unit down really quick, and then I'll come back and tell you what I think about the unit, okay? So as you saw, it was very, very easy. What I did do differently this time is that I did not put powder in the parting space prior to putting the unit on because I didn't feel like wasting no powder and my powder's running low. So I went on top of the unit after the fact with the powders. I also just sprayed down my ear tabs over here to keep the unit in place because I did not attach the elastic band with this unit. Although this unit does come with 2 combs in the middle and 1 comb in the back with the adjustable straps, I did unhook this unit because it was not pulling forward the way I wanted it to because my hair is not cornrowed under this unit. So I feel like it would give me a little bit more space if I had cornrowed my hair, but I didn't. This is a 23-inch cap though, so it does fit really well onto my sides and I don't have an issue with that. Make sure you know your cap size before you order any type of units from any human hair vendor because you want to make sure your unit's gonna fit. The swoops that I use on this unit, they're not the greatest, okay? I'm gonna say that, so don't try to come for me, okay? I know they're not the greatest, but that's just what I did for now and that's how I'm gonna leave them, okay? Just shush. The hairline is pre-plucked. I did not go in and pluck anything out because it was not necessary. Y'all, when I say pre-plucked, like this is a very nicely plucked unit. For someone like me who wants to kind of just put it on and go, good thing, okay? Good thing. I don't like plucking everything. I will pluck if I buck if I need to, okay? But I don't want to do it all the time. Now, if you want to style this joint up, you can. Now, it does come with lace in the back as well. But as we all know, when units like this come with lace in the back, it's not like a full lace cap, so it still looks wiggy in my opinion. You just bring some hair down to make it look a little bit more natural. But that's it, y'all. The hair is very, very soft, very, very pretty. I love the texture of this. The density is just right. 180% for me was just right. If you want to go any lower than that, I think they offer like 130%. They don't have 150. The 130 would look a little, obviously it will be a lot thinner and look a little bit more natural for some people, but for my big old head, I need a lot of hair. So the 180 is perfect for me. Lace comes in like a light brown, so it's easy to blend down. I only put powder in the parting space as you saw. So what more can you ask for? I mean, besides a lower price point. I mean, that's it. That's all you can ask for, okay? We all want cheap and affordable, but sometimes you gotta pay for the quality. So depending on what you get, depending on your specs, you know, shop around your budget, okay? Shop around your budget. But this is really pretty, you guys. The hair texture is soft. Like, I could definitely sleep in this hair and not have to worry about scratches on my neck or my face or my man's neck or his face. Cause yes, okay, swoop, swoop. Here you go, okay? You know. It's very, very lightweight on my head. It's very comfortable. I'm here for it, okay? I'm here for it. If you are in the market for a human hair unit and you just want to try this out, then definitely try this out, okay? This was a very easy unit. There's nothing negative to say about this unit. It's a very easy, beginner-friendly unit based on how I did it, using my lazy girl method. If you are someone who likes the lazy girl method, then definitely try this out. If you want to have a unit that you can bleach, definitely try this out. This is a human hair unit, so you can bleach and dye this hair. Do whatever floats your boat, okay? Sail on them. Get into it, all right? This is how the unit is looking on me from the side. Again, look at my little waves. I got my little wave swoops in here. I'm cracking up at myself, but whatever. I don't care. I don't care. Okay, this is how long the unit looks on me. That's the 20 inches. And then to the back, okay? Very, very pretty. It's full enough. There's no gaps in here. The cap construction is really nice. That's all I got for you guys today. Shout out to Wiggins Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for this unit down below as well as the specs. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to tell them that KIE RASHON sent you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Don't forget to smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.